Hello, this is Sirat Ali. In this tutorial, I will show you a powerful Google Chrome extension which can help you to identify various journal matrices while you're searching for the journal articles on Google Scholar, Web of Science, Science Direct, and other search engines. When you're searching for the article, you're concerned about the quality of the journal the article is published. What is the academic journal guide or AJG or ABS ranking? What is this journal citation indicator by Clarivate? What is the social sciences citation index? And most importantly, what is the impact factor in the current year and in the past 5 years? Normally, when you're searching for the articles on the Google Scholar or the Web of Science or Science Direct, you don't get these matrices instantly while you're searching. For example, if I go to Google Scholar and I search for my name, Sirat Ali, you see the articles are coming, but I don't know where these articles are published. Okay, so International Review of Economics and Finance, what is the impact factor? What is the ABS ranking? What is the social sciences citation index? So on and so forth. So we can't really come to know from the instant search. Similarly, if I go to Science Direct and I search for any particular term, let's say default trace, which is one of the area that I do research, I search for it and look at the articles. There is no metrics about the quality of the journal that I can see. Finance research letters, what is the impact factor? um, Another journal, research in international business and finance, what is the impact factor, and other matrices. I can't really know them instantly. Yes, I can dig deep onto different websites and databases and I can get that information. But as a researcher, if I want to save my time, how I can do that so that I get the matrices instantly. This is where today's tutorial jump in. I'm going to show you a Google Chrome extension which can help you get these matrices instantly when you're searching for articles on the Science Direct or the Web of Science or Google Scholar and other databases. So let's get started. What is this Google Chrome extension? Write PaperGuard, click OK. From the search, look at this one, PaperGuard, click on it. Will take you to the extension page. There are some screenshots available which you can look at later on by your own. There is an overview given. What I want to do now, I want to add to my Chrome, add extension, and demonstrate how it works in practice. So if I click on my extensions, PaperGuard, I can pin this one so that it stays there. For example, if I go to new page, it will stay here. Okay. So now the extension has been installed. So now you see what happens. I search for my name, no ranking was coming. But now if I refresh this page, you will see different matrices will be automatically appearing. So you can see J3I by Clarivate. So that is coming, impact factor in the past 5 years, AJG or ABS ranking, SSCI, it's Q1 based on that, and impact factor, recent impact factor 4.5. Okay, so that is coming for the articles on the Google Scholar. If I go to my Scholar page, my Scholar page will also be showing these matrices. Okay, so now it becomes quite easy to see where each and every paper is published by a particular researcher. Similarly, if I go to the Web of Science or Science Direct, and if I refresh Science Direct page, you will see the rankings will be appearing as I have searched for default risk papers. So you can see all the rankings are coming for each journal, and I can make my decision based on the quality of the journal whether I want to read those papers or not. Yeah, another thing that I find very interesting for this app, if you search for any particular paper, for example, the first paper, if I click on it and I go to the web page, now you will see on this web page with the title of the paper, those matrices are also appearing. And it also gives the criteria to understand whether this is a good journal based on each and every matrix. Okay, so the descriptions are also given. So this looks like a very powerful Google Chrome extension, which can save you time to identify the quality of the journal when you're searching those journals on different journal sites. But I want to put a caution here. Please be mindful about technological glitches. When you use these extensions, please try to verify several times to make sure these gadgets are giving the right output. Before I wind up this tutorial, I want to recall the other extension which we have identified and I have demonstrated in several of my previous tutorials. That is the Rapid Journal Quality Check. It is already installed. If you want to know how to install it and how to use it, you can watch my previous tutorials. I'm going to turn it on and I'm now going to Google Scholar page and I'm going to refresh this. And now you see both Google Chrome extensions, the PaperGuard. The first few matrices are coming from PaperGuard. The last few matrices are coming from the Rapid Journal Quality Check. So if you want to turn off Rapid Journal Quality Check, you can do that and then refresh this page. And this Google Scholar page will only display the PaperGuard based matrices. With this, I'm done with my tutorial. Please let me know about your experience of using this tool in the comments below. If you find this tutorial helpful, please use it and share it among your network. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then, have a good day.